Another sheriff in the town, we say about Jago. Sexy lady, na 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 na. You looking beautiful like butterfly.
Ebony black.
You're too sweet and you're not good, man. You're so good.
I still love you.
You know my everything. If not be you, we are for day. We are for day. My everything, that's why I love you.
Thank God.
I'll do everything. We will make you happy. I will never disappoint you.
You sure?
Promise. I sure now. If not be you, no. If my everything. If me a little was to fool me. Now me and you, for better for worse now. Until death, now death goes separate of us.
You sure?
You not trust me.
This one not be for mouth, so.
I cross my heart, eh? For it, eh? I cross my heart. May I go for a win and I'll let you at the look now.
Okay.
So
for that's what you say. I will buy that show for you. That show of 150 euro.
You serious?
Yes, sir. I promise now. The money there.
I trust you.
I'll buy it for
I
you.
trust you. Now what make me love you with that?
Okay.
You know they say, if no other woman, they'll say they don't get money. Now you know. I love you. I love you. I say me and
give
you.
it to me the way I want.
Power day now. I get the power. I get the strength.
Okay.
I will do on well.
Okay.
You know they say you want to buy me new shoe. I love you, man.
Thank
Seriously, I love you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, my love.
I'm not come at me and go buy something.
You want to leave me here?
10 minutes, I'll come back now.
You sure?
Yes, now.
Okay.
Trust me.
But not till we come.
No problem.
I know say, now let me what they say now.
No
We try to
problem.
come out time.
Okay, no problem.
No, while there.
You come in.
I'm shaking hands
Okay,
with you.
Okay.
All right. Make it quick, eh?
Okay, now. Later.
This mother must be now. Hello? Ibafo? Nami Osas. Afan where you dey? Okay, no it's go happen now. Yeah, I dey near your area. That parking away for the going for the sea. I will do them less than 10-15 minutes. We will see now. They don't see 10 now, they miss you. I know fuck up at the corner. Before 10-15 minutes, so you'll see me there. Alright, okay, they come.
Are you ready to win with Chelsea T? Let's go there. Increase the volume, man. Oh, work. Obialeke, Obialeke, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no mose, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no yere, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, ni yayo, Obialeke, ni meyagbe, Fiega kuna meo, chai. Obialeke, Fiega kuna meo. Wamadoge ifufu no na rihe kubialeke. Wamadoge okeke ni magagbe. Wamadoge ifufu no na rihe kubialeke. Wamadoge ugoke.
Oh my gosh.
I can't explain.
It's
not what you think.
It's not what you think. And they call your phone now, your phone not go. I think say you dey bedroom, they bath. Now this one you call the do sis.
My love.
Money where they give you now this small rat.
Honey.
Now you just spend my money.
Hey, madam, stop it. Who are you? Come on, shit.
Wait till you hear now they pull and give me. Before I count of three.
What? Talk to me, what's happening?
Before I count of three now. Pull out for me.
Pull what?
My love.
Come on, pull what? What's happening here? Talk to
Now
me.
you not provoke me, oh. Pull out.
Talk to me now.
I can't.
Pull out for me.
Me.
Before I count of three.
Me.
Pull out for me.
Me.
Pull out. Pull out.
Me.
Jesus, I can't take this guy.
Oh, yeah, give me.
I love you. Not be waiting.
So when love?
Not be waiting.
Me not love you again.
Not
Pull
be
out.
waiting you see.
Pull out. Pull out.
Not be waiting you see.
I said pull out.
Not be waiting.
Pull slap before I give you slap.
I go explain.
Give me.
I go explain.
Oh yeah.
Not be waiting with you.
Babe.
Not be waiting with you.
You come me. Oh.
What you see now? Egun eya tu. What you see now? Not be waiting with you.
You come me. You come me.
Okay, I will
pull up for me.
I will
Oh, be a mere. What do you want, Baba? It's all when or pull up for me.
Outside that day.
You want to pull it?
Outside.
Pull up for me.
I'll do it. What we see now? What we see now?
And you want to go away?
What we see now?
Pull up for me. Yeah, see what you go wear, go house. Without small that.
Na me o.
Give me before. Now my money
My
there.
phone.
Now my money now. Where why you are? Oh, here's a cigarette in a row.
Everything.
If not because of God,
Everything.
my Baba
Everything.
God, I for you put the cigarette.
Everything.
God, yeah.
Hey, which kind of wahala for this one? Which kind of wahala? I want to know. Hey.
Bros, what be this now?
Not good morning.
Why be this?
Na me good morning. Good morning.
Why you dey like this now?
Nothing. I mean with one of my friends. We got the facts. I the whole money. We got the facts.
Bros,
Not this.
this one no good now. You just dey ask me killed. But
I
I
dey
see
hold
one woman just now. The woman they pull your dress.
One woman.
The woman they pull your dress. They remove everything for your body. Bro, see you don't even fit talk for months. Pack well. Now Europe is there. Come on for us, come do nonsense for you. You don't know what you suffer. Now woman money you want it better. Just see you.
I see my mate they do.
You see what you got to use yourself till they receive. Bros. If I say muna fine work, no they fine. No they fine. It must have there that they give work. Construction day, fabrica day. You don't want work. You just come up for Nigeria because they do nonsense. See what they use your body to receive here. Well, because of God. This cloth now, I want to go give my brother. Bros, may you go find work, May you go find work. Your family, they feel say they work. See the nonsense when they receive for woman hand. Bros, I don't want to see you like this again. May you go find work. I think that shirt go let you wear now. Now keep this one. If I say Mona go find work, I don't go find. But they find woman money, Mona want eat. In fact, sometimes it's even good. Now because of God, now you have to give you this trouble. Bros, may you pack well. So now Europe,
Thank you, man.
guys, they not they give money again.
Thank you, man.
Lazy man.
Are you ready to wind down with Chassis T? Let's go there. Increase the volume, man. Oh, work. Obialeke, yeah. Obialeke, Tega kuna meo.
Now, wow. Jesus. Thank God, say, God just could open my eye, see the kind of person when this guy be. Let me hear to the boss who outside, say nobody like my boyfriend. Not knowing, say, like old woman, now be carry. Centro, my own boyfriend. Jesus. Worship, I still thank God. As he just let me know the campus won't be. Come to think of it. But that woman get mad, sure. See the way he just pull a big boy cloth like that for street. Well, wonder shall never end.
Good evening. I don't call your say me I come see you for us. Me I read there. So lucky, you just dey open door.
Why you come? What's happening?
I say I come beg you now for what I do you that day.
What you do?
Now annoyance now. That thing now where I do you for parking that day now. And because I can't see you with that girl now, all those small girls, you know what they call person like you, where you come, either you understand? So I beg, I say me I come beg you.
No, get out, no need. Me I tell you, get out, no need. I don't hear, get out.
Don't forgive me.
I don't forgive you, get out. I forgive you, get out. See, me I tell you something now.
Yes now, anything what you want, I will do it for you. If not house, I will build down for you. You hear? Now annoyance, now make me do that day, I beg. I beg my love.
I don't hear, I'm not the first.
You know I too love you.
I know so you love me. I know you love me. I don't hear you, but I don't work now. I'm not depend on my money again. I don't work. So when I mean get my money now by myself, I believe now so nobody will put my check away again.
Now
So,
you.
I know it's not you.
You are your bugger.
Forget I know bugger. I need bugger like an agent now. Leave that thing. You leave all those I know bugger matter. We finish give me. I need bugger. You say yeah. Ah, yeah.
If I don't feel leave you now, I beg.
You don't feel leave me.
No.
You put my check away.
Now no
You don't feel leave me. You collect my phone. You don't feel leave me. You don't do. No wahala. Make it. I get where I go. You know say I want come away with me.
Now me oh.
I
beg.
know.
You know now.
Don't do. I get where I go. Me come out. Me I call you.
We will go together now.
Now go together. Follow this again.
There for this earlier fitness. Hola? Oh. I never felt warn you when the ring bell for my house. For your entire life, never call my door, not come the ring bell. If they hear me, shall nonsense be this one. Idiots. Don't you that? Now what you need to do for this place? I don't know, you can press my bed for this place.
I don't get where I go.
So stay this sit down for there.
My love, I don't feel leave you now. I don't feel leave you.
So you get my get me for going to press my bed after all the money make I give you.
My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did very sorry. It will never happen again. Please.
So now that old woman, that is the day, then they close you.
Let me go now.
Then they buy you trousers, buy you everything. Can you imagine?
I'm sorry.
She just did pull your clothes for my present. Ah, Jesus.
I'm sorry.
For my own present.
My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did very sorry. It will never happen again.
Pull your clothes.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
As you see, I don't run that day.
I beg.
She might even fight me. I don't see where she push me, Abby.
I beg, my love. I beg. See, may I tell you, since 8 hours, not a day easy to beg you. I beg you, my love. Please, it will never happen again. I beg you. See, may I tell you something? I don't work now. I don't work, my love. Please, forgive me. Please.
So as you just talk, say you dey walk, now my ears they jump up. My ears they jump, Abby. I'm saying if I take before say you dey walk.
That one before.
That one now before. I don't want to believe now. What's not coming me believe now? Say that you they talk now.
I cross my hands.
You cross.
I don't work now. My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did very sorry. It will never happen again. I beg. I beg. Now money the cost now. Have you got your money? I mean, you go see. Have you got seen now? I beg. I beg.
And because you know say I love you, let me do all this
I
rubbish.
love you too. I beg, my love. Please. Please.
And because of God, I want to forgive you.
Thank you. Come here. I love you. Come here.
I beg come here, Joe. More they go inside, Joe.
Another sheriff in the town, we say, but Jago. Sexy lady. Na 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 na. You looking beautiful like butterfly. Anytime I remember my body hurts. No waste your heavy look better curve. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. You looking beautiful.
Bros, good afternoon. I been no vex na this area you dey.
Na this area, there anything?
Nothing now. Calm down. I be dey find Destiny production.
Destiny production.
You know where studio dey around this area.
I don't know where they may go find them. I don't know. I bet carry what I do.
But not me. Beg, don't frustrate me. Na for the first person I want to ask.
That person now want carry on a public for a body. After I don't frustrate finish for you now. They come they say you find for face. This most thing I can see as a telephone number yours now.
Por favor, ¿me puede darme más azúcar? Sí,
My love.
How about you now?
I tell you, you know, they see the way the life is sweet me.
I'm small.
Thank you, man. Thank you for this chance you give me. And I promise you, I know we'll ever fuck up again.
I hope so you use this chance well.
If not say money, but I thank God I will work now. So that woman put my shirt away. Get man, you don't women. Get man.
I hope you don't learn your lesson.
Seriously, I miss you.
Really? Just say you will miss
I
me.
don't miss you. I don't see nobody will take care of you the way they take care of me.
Emanda?
And obviously the way they take care of me, nobody will be too often. I don't change. I'm not a change person. Alright?
Welcome.
Yeah.
What's in this one? You do mess.
Mama, yeah.
Excuse. What's in the shell?
Mama, what do you expect? For that mission impossible when you send me. For that guy body, waiting. Guy body they hot. Ordinary question now do ask am for street. See the way this guy dey vibrate like Nokia phone. Me say I can't still dey fear. Make no come beat me for street. Waiting. That's why body they hot. Mama, that boy matter, never just know shine.
Relax. Me no first tell you, I take go beg am. Wait, tell me say don't forgive me, but he don't start work, he don't want me again. You understand? That work we say start, that money, I go collect am. You understand? No worry, you still try me, you go. Now so they do. Because of that way happen that day, now make they do like that. You hear, baby? I beg.
Mama, yeah, well, we why now? May I still tell you? Mama, wait till you do that guy. It's too much now. It's too much. The place is pain arrangement because the way you dey break for street that day, my feel that guy pain. No way, you're too much. Egbe balo, I feel younger.
You know, why not be my fault. As I come see her with that small girl. All those small girls we go to tell person like I say, even I don't feel control myself again. You know what? You know how it be now to spend clean person up like that before that small girl will come like her. I don't feel control myself again. That is why you understand. I beg you try. You never know be me that money. I go collect some. I beg baby. Yeah. I beg.
I know. To say that boy just give me some opportunity at least to even take collecting number that day. At least by now, you know me now. But the boy don't green me, don't give me space. Chance if he no green give me. So you know calm.
Don't worry. If not that one, we will use plan B. I'll give you a number. I don't say if you do it for me.
Mama. Make them bang for you. You won't give me a number?
Yes.
Oh God. See that small money where they check am. When say no they walk, we no want let person hear what will suck am. Here no say no hear what.
I trust you.
No, you want anything for you. No lele, no level. You not trust me.
I know you can do it for me.
You. Who don't know you don't know go.
That's
You
all.
mama or for mama. Mama, may you just relax. May you just chillax. You know understand? Mama, beg, give me. Waiting.
C0 20 111 72.
Maka,
I trust you.
I don't get them.
Okay.
Mama, as you don't give me so, may you relax.
Okay.
That's no money when you say they work. Really. As in we go drill am, we go draw am. He said go no say na person na inja. Me to be a me when me cake bossa, you make be na tialazi. Not be you, Mama. You don't give me, you just.
I even promise son, say I will do everything we want for her. I go build that for her. You say no want me again.
Yeah, mommy. You way no go. No, you no go. Say go back. Go coffee money. Yeah.
Me.
Hey, may you relax now. May you just, Mama. Chillax. Where any men any? Omori wesoto.
No problem.
See. Mama, any asha me when enter streets.
I trust you, my baby.
I'll call you later.
Good luck.
You don't trust me.
I trust you. I know what you can do.
No, not be lie.
Are you ready to win with Chelsea T? Let's go there. Where's the follow, man? Oh, work. Ogaleke, Ogaleke, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Ogaleke, no mose, Ogaleke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Ogaleke, no yere, Ogaleke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Ogaleke, ni yayo, Ogaleke, ni meyagbe, Fiega kuna meo.
You are so sweet. See how you sweet? Oh my man, he's sweet here. What are you doing?
Sweetheart, now you dey talk this one. You don't see the way you just did knock. And you see that my clear me continue they shout harder. I dey hear the thing they reach my brain.
Oh my God. I don't know, say you sweet like this, eh? Now you call me that day. I do she. Me tell you con?
I wanna know my sweetheart.
Oh my God.
Nah, man, you
I beg me for you.
I
love you. I love you.
I love you too.
I hear the soon, eh? As I want to come out, they pay me. Because I need to go work. I know, not my work now. What's make the thing they pay me? But me not think on. I need to go work now. So if not this work, I want to go for your day today. Your day enjoy myself. As my brain is scattered, so. Oh
so
my
you
God.
won't go now?
I'll go now. I'll go. Hi. What's in now?
Sweetheart, you don't feel understand.
See, I don't feel understand. Because I tell you, see, how come on? Another one. You relax your mind. Today na Sunday. Before you know what they happen, I book out that way. So Friday don't reach. I started close for work on Friday. I come enjoy myself. You too sweet. I don't feel leave you now.
My love, you only not be that one at all.
What's in again? Okay. Come here. Come tell me. Come. So what's it?
Sweetheart.
Yeah.
Now what this case matter? The only issue don't tire me. It don't tire me. Today bring this one. Worry. Tomorrow bring this one. It be woman, I don't tire. As I did so 1 centimum when small pass for Europe money, it no go me at all. I no get. And now they say make I bring money. We are on for see go give them. The old thing they make me they get headache.
It's okay. Problem not that one. Maybe you relax your mind. Problem not there. Number say money. I not still get, but you relax your mind. You understand? Hi, but you know what you go happen? I will try my best. Me month your end. You only say relax your mind. I'll do anything for you now. So what I want to do for you now be this one. Maybe for smile. Me month end. If I receive my salary, I'll pay my landlord, my house rent. The money, I'll give you. Give my baby. Smile.
You give me?
Why not?
Hi, good. Why I not go love you? Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you.
Give me for a year. Give me for a year.
Thank you. In fact, you're the
Come
best.
Here. Anything for you. I just want me to be happy now.
Yeah, you know, since I can't be happy now.
Thank you.
Are you ready to wind down with Chelsea T? Let's go there. Increase the volume, man. Oh, work. Fiega kuna meo, chai. Woyaleke, no mose, woyaleke, no yere. Fiega kuna meo, fiega kuna meo, woyaleke, no yere, woyaleke, no yere. Fiega kuna meo, fiega kuna meo, chai. Woyaleke, ni yayo, woyaleke, ni meyagbe. Fiega kuna meo, chai. Woyaleke, fiega kuna meo, Wamadoge ifufu no na rihe kubialeke. Wamadoge okay.
Baby, who is she?
She be my...
Sweetheart.
Who she be?
Aye. She be my... Me I not be with you today. She be my...
She's your what?
I want permission. Aye. She be my...
You don't come here, come and talk again.
Aye. You take all this one.
I beg now who you be. Take her.
Never change. Excuse me.
See, baby, leave her, make she be good.
Who she be?
She?
She.
Now those girls, now she be the one me and friend. Now I get baby like you.
Now she be the one make you friend her, or now you be the one make you friend her?
For where you do? You. Friend that kind. Where you do? You know, now you now. Now you now. Where will they go? Me big that.
You sure?
I'm not friend that me will they go.
Okay.
Another sheriff in the town with your bachago. Sexy lady. Na. You looking beautiful like butterfly. Anytime I remember my body hurts. Lowest your heavy look better cough. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. You looking beautiful like butterfly. Anytime I remember my body hurts. Lowest your heavy look better cough. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl.
Baby,
Oh yeah. So sweet.
You be machine.
Seriously,
Hey,
you're too sweet.
you not baddest. Hey. I will come skip beyond this one again. Which kind of bad belly go this one?
Beautiful.
That's my carry and you know where that money just It's not relax. Hello? Hello? I didn't hear you. Be that. Eh? Hey, another one. Another money. For waiting again now. Bros, I no get. You dey hear me? I no get. Waiting. Not be there for you see bring money come for now. Another money again. Bros, wetin I dey bear? Wetin I dey? Na me start am. No be there I take start. I no fit go kill myself. Bros, I no get. Yeah, I no get. I say I no get. I no fit go. Which one be at last? Bro, I no get. I no get.
Have you heard about this
image myself? Yeah, I no get.
A multi-talented man of our time, Destiny EE Production, the image maker, called in for script writing, full film production, directing of musical videos and movies.
This you don't tire me. I don't tire for all this kind of nonsense. I don't tire. I don't. Not be Mr. Tamu. Not be Mr. Tam. Not be get issue again. I just still come make us bring money. Bring another money again. Today bring. Tomorrow bring. What if I know they do only that? I'm not supposed to say months going to I want collect my money. See as I call up for them because of them. Wait, na Mr. Tam. Na Mr. Tam.
111-72.
Wow.
Destiny EE.
Even me with the year, I don't tire for this matter. Seriously, I don't tire. Me would say call you, me can't tell us say they don't enter us.
Oh.
Me would they appear. We won't come and hear me say I don't want to walk again.
Okay.
I want to come to enjoy. See, I don't tire seriously because me with the year, so I get many things where they bother me for me. Now me which I want to tell you, I never pay my house rent last month. This month now, I never pay. I know if you buy shirt wear again because of this matter. Since when this matter they start, I know if you do anything again. Okay. I don't tire. All your money where they work, now you are the give. Because of this matter, me you bring the come, me I begin enjoy. It don't do now. What did they happen self? Since when people they do this thing, they will even do one before 3 months, 4 months. They're not there. Since when they start this one, bring money. It is a 3 days for the plump.
Maybe now. So if to say na there they start now, for say maybe say na so the matter be. Wait,
May
this one, may no you carry me play, may no use me play kalo because that kind of play I know you dey like am. Which kind of nonsense beyond this one now? Bring money. Where it say me they pick the money for grant? If they take me they pick am for grant. May not try me and I demolish my past for Bini. May not carry me play like kind of play. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
Wow, I don't know, but nevertheless. So me will see how much he say we will break on.
Sweetheart, 3K fam. Now this idiots they ask me. 3K fam. When you get hand, when you get leg, when you get family.
The money big, eh?
Okay.
3,500. Hi, but you will give me the guy number. You will give me the guy phone number. I will call him. Bet now this one will be the last one. My love. Now this one will be the last one because you know how much I received since we will start this thing. I don't know if you do anything again. I don't even my wardrobe look and nothing there inside. If you reach my house, open my wardrobe, nothing there inside. I don't know if you do anything again. But hi, the thing, nevertheless, what you will do, my salary now 1,200, you know. I will receive now. I will give you. I will go beg my landlord. Because today is 28 now. Tomorrow, they'll pay us. I'll give you the money. But it will be the last one. I'll go beg my landlord. Say, give me patience. At least I know say I don't the whole they go 3 months now. So I'll go beg her. I'll give you the money. For give one. Now 1,200, you know. You know. Because this matter, I want me to suffer once and for all. Because I don't want to come there again. Because they call me, they complain for money. I don't want to hear her. I don't want to hear her because I'm not tired.
Thank you.
Not tired,
Thank you. No be guys, even now only as I dey here, so 1.5 na dey with me. When that idiot still work, can't give me yesterday. I become say if you want to come out just now, because the way you just stay and do that just now, I really feel it. Because if you want to come out, I still find like 5 for you. Me still take your body. Now this idiot carry a cock until they disturb my destiny. This kind of time.
My love, you don't do. So this one will be the last one. I'll give you the money so that we will settle the matter once and for all. It's okay, So I'll try. I'll talk to 1 or 2 persons. Like find small money give me. So that I join you 1, 2, I want to receive give you, and you say you get 1.5. So we'll see how we fit round up the matter. You don't do, but I'll call the guy by myself. I'm not going to do like that because people they do this thing. People they do 3 months out there. You start one business for that they go almost a year now. That is person if you chop again.
I still find one of my good men still go say. I told me they still find support to give me. I still enjoy those ones. Thank you.
I'll talk to 1 or 2 people. that girl, now she toast me. See, I know say I don't offend you. That's why I come here from bed. See, you know what you happen? What you really happen, I want to tell you now. I just the work out they go, you meet me say, na so you back boss. If they find why punch you go Nigeria. You don't say, wait, she did they follow me. If I go this side, she go follow me. If I go the other side, she go follow me. I don't know. What is the fight for my body? See, my love. I just see me, I just test and check man. One test. You know, I say me, I do. I don't know, say me, the thing will come become this one. I beg you with the name of God. I beg. Forgive me. I know say I did offend you before, but now I beg. You not go ever repeat yourself again. Forgive me. Now devil walk, now temptation, I call this one. Now temptation, I beg. Forgive me. I beg.
That's okay. Don't talk finish. Don't worry. You know, say me love you well.
I love you, my G.
But I'm sorry. It's already late.
No, my love.
I don't get someone.
No, you know if you happen.
And our marriage next month. Don't worry, I'll send my invitation card go for you.
My love.
Good luck.
My love. My love. Iwu.
Welcome. I hear you. This one they smile like this. Don't they okay?
Oh, everywhere they well. You know, see when me come they flash my teeth like person they do close up and back. Mama, you know say you na mama of furniture.
I know.
Mama, before you nobody. Even after yourself, nobody.
That's all.
Issue. I don't suck.
Okay.
As me they talk so the guy don't dey. As in ear can they show red.
That's good.
Yeah, you quite me you know. And family must they even pay us strength.
Okay.
All the men say me. Get zero, till get zero, they won't come give her money. They pump money for me like as they receive it, they drop. As they receive it, they drop.
Oh no, hello.
Mama, I
trust you. But I'm go for all your money. Say what's up, Mama?
I tell you that me you relax. In yellow we go. That's why they use them for bed.
Hey Jimmy.
I they use them today. Baby, give it to me harder. Say the shot. Give it to me harder. If they use all your power, open say me. Tip I won't pack the money come with the 3 guests one break come. Mama, I cannot get
No go kill her for me.
Mama, no, I don't understand your way, girl. If you like say that guy still there your eye,
I love her.
Mama.
I don't like you. I enjoy that guy. What I never see for life before. Where we go to do? I go say, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Me say, that's why I enjoy that.
Confirm.
Oh, they pay me shower.
Mama, truly that guy. Mama, wait till the important be say me. Wait till we dey fine. We don't see.
And I don't want the important.
They feel me. You know, if you see her now, you go they me say that they go they pity for her, make it not go down. Mama, ask me and you they talk now. If they even they work, I don't know where say you want go find money borrow break up for me. Isha.
He call me say you want to see me. I say, they know this one. I don't know. I've been at me want to see.
I mean, you want to collect the money come from?
I don't know.
Man, that guy don't. You don't ask me the thing so.
Thank you very much.
You don't empty. You can't red. They show zero. I don't think the way you chill. I mean, they the game. I mean, know what they saw.
That's good.
That guy, he never see.
That's good. Now that one go for him.
So, now this fool, now she said you may come destroy me. Abi? She said you come destroy me. You. Man, Ogun will kill you, Ogun, I go kill you. Do you hear me? Ogun will kill you. What's that there? I will kill you, See how this one, see how you might be. See, this old woman, you, come to say this one, because they fool me. Ogun will kill you, I will kill you.
How you try enter my house?
How I enter this house? You don't be my house.
Not be your house.
I'm not enter here before.
I don't collect my key before.
I guess that key.
You be thief.
I leave that side first. Let me leave that side first. So you consider this fool. Which can destroy me. I will man whatever, eh?
Now they call me Ozuma. It's how I carry you for gutter, clean you up. You not call me Ozuma. Because of that small rats. Not be you, now you leave me, Abi. Problem no day. You hear me? Don't see me finish because you don't climb me, Abi. Problem no day. Only now Ojanik Bay.
See. May I tell you? May I tell you something? Eh? If me want to marry you, say I want to marry you now, she will let me carry you. Go meet my papa. Say, papa, see what you want to marry. Or, fear will let you carry me, go meet your family. Say, now, ma, we want to marry with this one. You know the shame. It will move where? It will move where? See, eh? It will never be well with you, eh? I will ban on one boy. When I know my man, you can get man. Can they fool me? Eh? One boy.
Mr. Lover Boy. Yeah, you try to gather liver, gather mura. You insult my own mama, my own mentor. Okay. I live as strong, sure, but nevertheless, if I'm boy no pimples, just get to learn something to tell you. You see me? I'm boy. Gone are those days when boys they eat woman money. See this time around, you may don't tear. Or when we go your totally, you know they work. Because I don't see it. She understand. Now they chop gas money. They feel me. So I get only one small less for you. I fine boy. Go hustle. You feel me? Work. Stand on your own like a man. Work hard. May you come out here for woman money because money no they there. You know they come. You understand? Fine boy.
Go sit down there. See. I will man, eh? I'm gonna kill you, eh? This is the way you do me. I will man, eh? You know, ever better for you. See this old woman, come there, you want to marry me. Come send this fool. They come fool me. I'm gonna kill you. I will kill you, eh? I will man, eh?
They curse me. This one will kill you. Me, mama of the whole country. I go put hand for this boy eye. It go come out for back. I go do you rich like that. That work they'll take out for your hands. You go dey ordinary grant. You know seafood eat for this country again. Ikpakpera, eme ya dumu wena. Me wedo arovi. Cause you don't see me if you don't climb me now. When I was at the baby, kata sin. Problem iro. He has you your wall.
Indeed, you are a fair.